What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. There we go. So yeah, got the motor back. This is gonna be a little bit different video just because of the simple fact of I'm gonna be putting this together more than anything. My goal is to have it done tonight, at least the motor sealed up. We want to at least get it both mounted up against the bell housing. Once that's done, it's all downhill from there. Like I said, this is gonna be a little bit different style video. I ain't gonna be doing a whole lot of talking, but we're gonna be doing a whole lot of working. Let me show y'all what we got going on. All right, let me zoom out. So, all right, guys, we got our gasket kit and everything. Got a new sprocket for the crank because I think I threw the last one that on the motor we messed up away, threw away with the crank. All right, so we got everything we need to bolt up everything to that. We also went with a different cam. So we got that one because on my last motor, it was only a stage 4 turbo cam, but this one we went with actual stroker cam for a turbo from BTR. Can't go wrong with their cams. Got everything ready to go on that motor. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is it's gonna be a lot of time lapse. We are going to work on getting this done, and Dakota's supposed to be on his way over here, so we are going to I'm going to work on this motor. He's got to pick up some radials, so I'm going to talk him in to go ahead and getting that tune sent over to my email so we can fire this thing up as soon as we got oil and everything in this car. So there was a little bit of changes on the pistons. We went with some Icon pistons. The ring gap is at 32 thousandths. So we're going to be able to run a little bit more boost. Got new cam bearings. Everything's good. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and start wrapping this up. I'm going to put you on time lapse, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing put together. So a little update, my GoPro died, go figure. So as y'all saw, we got the head studs in. I gotta put the other ones in. Got those all tightened down, wiped down, cleaned off, all of that. Got the timing cover done, not timing cover, timing chain, timing gear, oil pump. Everything's good so far. Hopefully y'all are enjoying this video so far. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and put the head gaskets and start putting the heads on. I don't know, I might do that. I think I'm gonna do the timing covers and the oil pan last, just because I'm gonna take that off the stand. So that's the reason why I'm not doing that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, wipe down the surface, make sure everything's good, no oil or anything got on the surface for the heads. We're gonna put the head gaskets on and start getting it finished up. So that's what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna have to go get another GoPro battery. So. Alright guys, so we got both heads on. I still got to torque these down, but it ain't like they matter anyway. Yep, heads are on. All we gotta do is put on the front and the rear timing set along with the oil pan, oil gasket. I want to change out the rear plug. We are making progress. I need to put on the rockers and push rods, make sure everything checks out all right. Torque those down, and once I get everything put on there as far as gasket wise, we can start putting it in the car. I'm gonna put the motor plate on after we get the bell housing mounted to the motor. It's gonna make it, I guess, easier on me per se, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Just something different. If it don't work, we'll put the we'll take the motor back out and put the motor plate on. So yep, that's where we're at right now. Making progress one thing at a time. I'm going to continue on. I'm going to go ahead and get the rockers torqued down and mounted on in the heads. Well guys, we got the motor and 2 bolts mounted up. All right, 2 more bell housing bolts on that side, and should be fully in there. Put the motor plate on, water pump, all that, and then we can start putting the turbo kit on and she'll be ready. But I believe that's going to wrap it up for this video. I was going to continue the video more, but I'm just putting stuff back together at this point. So yeah, we're on the brink of running the car again here very, very, very soon, like next video. So yeah. Oh, it's been a day. All right, so I was thinking about ending the video off on that last clip. I was wrong. So got the shop cleaned up, as you can tell, and got the car done. Yeah. For the most part, it cranks and drives. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna end up pulling it out of my shop and backing it back in. So it moves under its own power. So yeah, car's up and going, guys. We're gonna be racing here soon. I'm ecstatic about it. Fires up just like the other motor does. New cam, I gotta take it to Dakota. He's gonna work on wrapping the tune up. So yeah, but car moves. and it drives. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna actually pull it out of the shop, get it out of the way a little bit. Everything's good on it. Man, this thing is aggravating me. I really need rolled up doors and not these barn doors. So, yeah. All right, so like I said, we're gonna pull the car out. I'm gonna back it back in. That way it's a lot easier to pull out whenever I load it up on the trailer. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna see it go on its first voyage, about 10 foot. Oh, man, it's been a minute. Let's see. Hopefully this does like I want it to. Need to get a new belt. I can't do this with one hand, so I'm gonna cut it off from right here. So, there you have it, guys. 402 is back. So, I'm going to go into this video. That is going to be the end of it. So, yeah. There she is in all her glory. I'm shocked. It only took me 9 hours to get everything done. That's from the bottom end all the way up. So it gives you a little idea. Yeah. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Hit that like button if you'd like to see more of this content. Hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed. We are going to be going racing soon, hopefully. So yeah. Hopefully we'll see y'all in the next one. See ya.